Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of object in Canva. It's very simple. So what we have to do, we have to simply click on element icon and then select an image. For example, I'm selecting this one. Now adjust the image. After adjusting, simply click on edit icon. Now click on adjust. Scroll down. Here you are seeing different colors. So what we have to do, we have to select any color. For example, I am selecting background color. Now just change it. Now you can notice only the background color is changing, but the picture color is not changing. You can see the face of girl, which is not changing, only the background color is changing. So in this way, we can change the color of an object in Canva, a specific color. For example, if we select the face color of the girl, now her face is changing. Select any specific color and then change according to your interest. You can play with these colors until you are get satisfied. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.